name is Daniela Gonzalez, and today I will going to talk about the scorecard method, what it is, how is it used, the main characteristics, who created, and more. Well, first, let's define what is a scorecard method. It is used by organization management firstly, and is used to communicate what the organization has achieved and how proposed to do it. It is a tool that helps to motivate in some areas like the product, market development, customer, the process. What this scorecard is looking for is the current and future success of the organization. It means that it has to be a control of your mercancy. Main characteristics of a good balanced scorecard. 1. A company's strategy focuses on cause and effect relationship. What does it mean? The scorecard should have specific objectives and measures in learning that how can grow the perspective. Main characteristics. 1. Focusing on cause and effect relationship. Why? Because balanced scorecard should have specific objectives and measures so they can learn and grow perspective. 2. Communicating the strategy to all members of an organization. Why? Because they need to understand how to take actions based on a scorecard to achieve the firm strategy. 3. Give strong emphasis on financial objectives and measures. Sometimes managers give too much importance on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, but they also need to take part to achieve for improving future financial performance. 4. Limit the number of measures. Organizations need to identify which measures are the key to implement the strategy. A good balanced scorecard would sign that a financial performance may have been achieved by taking actions that can hurt the future financial management, because a leading indicator of that performance is spend and output has been declined. Elements of a scorecard method. A total involvement of the organization team. They will be in charge of defining the vision of the company. 2. A guiding team. It must ensure the continuity of the design of a scorecard. It will guarantee necessary reference, instruments, and tools. 3. An expert team. It can be internal or external. They must know the methodology. They will be in charge of guiding the team on their activities and transferring the knowledge to the members of the guide team. Who created this method? It was created by Dr. Robert Kaplan from Harvard University and Dr. David Norton as a framework for organizational performance. This is a non-financial strategy to mix in order to better focus on long-term success. The system has evolved over the years and is now considered a fully integrated strategic management system. Now we're going to talk about the steps. How we create a balanced scorecard. 1. Preparation. An organization must first define the business unit that has its own customers, distribution channels, production facilities, and financial performance measures. 2. Interviews. First round. Each senior manager has to conduct interviews with the senior managers to obtain their input on the company's strategic objectives and tentative proposals. Executive workshop. First round. Top management during workshop debates the proposed mission and strategy statements until a consensus is reached. Then we find another second and third round from executive workshop. And there's another second round of interviews. After interviews and workshops rounds, we have the implementations. Here we include the measures, databases, and information systems, communicating throughout the organization and encourage them the operational measures that can be developed. Last one is periodic reviews. Balanced scorecard are revisited annually as part of the strategic planning, goal setting, and resource allocation processes. Now I'm going to show you an example of how we build a balanced scorecard. So we're going to based on a product and how can we build different perspectives we have. Now on the different points we are going to see it's gonna be the financial perspective. It is when you see the financial results and that everything is going in order. Second point is my customer relationship. It is about the satisfaction of my target, the delivery and quality performance. Third point is internal processes. What is in here? Well, it is about the activities per function, the process alignment, that there exists a control that can supervise and make sure that activities are doing well. Fourth point is growth and innovation. Here we can find the job satisfaction, employee turnover, training opportunities and skills. It also allows you to ensure that every department sees and understands clearly between its own strategy and the organization's strategy. It also allows you to ensure that every department sees and understands the clear linkage between its own strategy and the organization's one. So, in conclusion, we can see that is very important the use of this tool because it can improve international business metrics and results of external outcomes. So they can provide feedback to organizations. Thanks for watching. Bye.